can see him. That's level with him there. Watch it. You lose him. Awesome day. Fished on one of the main stem rivers and pushed up into one of the tributaries. It was flying pretty high and dirty this morning, so we didn't actually see many fish at all. We got a couple each, quite nice fish, 6-pounders. River's cleared back to crystal. As you can see in the background now, just a slight tea colour to it, so it didn't take long to drop these rivers. So you know, you don't get put off by high water, because 4 or 5 hours they'll be back to normal again. Yeah, a lot of fun. Had a few fish come and take cicadas, or the Madam X, the boys from Manic call it, they gave it to me. Try out, so they seemed to work pretty good. Good on you, Chris. And the even better part was that I actually took my packraft with me, because the river was a little bit high. I packraft all the way back to the car, so I didn't even expend any energy whatsoever. Scraped my way down the river, and poor old Dan had to walk back, the poor bugger. Never mind.